You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to today's episode. We're going to guide you through the exciting journey of moving to Panama and why choosing the right international moving company is key to a stress-free relocation. Making an international move is a big step, and having a reliable logistics partner ensures everything will go smoothly. That's where SDC International Shipping comes in, a trusted name in global relocation with nationwide coverage across all 50 states. No matter where you're starting your journey, SDC's comprehensive services are designed to make your move seamless and hassle-free. Let's dive into how they can help you realize your dreams of living in Panama. Let's talk about comprehensive services. SDC International Shipping brings unmatched expertise to every aspect of your international move. This ensures that your belongings are handled with the utmost care. Their team knows how to manage everything from household goods to vehicles and even delicate specialty items like pianos and artwork. SDC offers specialized packing and crating solutions tailored to the unique demands of international shipping, providing maximum protection for your items during transit. They also offer secure storage options for added convenience, giving you flexibility as you coordinate your relocation. With SDC's comprehensive professional services, you can trust that your move to Panama will be smooth and stress-free. What about the customer-centric approach? SDC International Shipping provides exceptional support with custom documentation, ensuring that your belongings comply with Panama's import regulations. Their team handles the complexities of international shipping paperwork, so you don't have to worry about unexpected delays or issues at customs. Additionally, SDC offers shipment tracking, giving you real-time updates on your item's journey to your new home. Personalized customer support is available every step of the way, addressing your concerns and ensuring a smooth relocation process. With SDC's expertise and dedication, you can enjoy peace of mind, knowing your move to Panama is in trusted hands. SDC International Shipping plays a crucial role in making international relocations stress-free, offering expert guidance, comprehensive service, and personalized support for every step of the journey, from handling custom documentation to ensuring the safe transport of your belongings. SDC takes the complexity out of moving abroad. Whether it's shipping household goods, vehicles, or even specialty items, SDC's expertise ensures a seamless and worry-free experience. Ready to make your move to Panama? Visit SDC's website today to learn more about the services and receive a tailored quote for your relocation. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. We hope you found these tips helpful as you prepare for your exciting move to Panama. If you know friends or family considering an international relocation, why don't you share this podcast with them and help them make their transition easier? Don't forget to visit SDC International Shipping's website for tailored quotes and professional support to ensure a stress-free move. Until next time, here's to making your international journey smooth and successful.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.